that symbol, that mystical symbol, which is very popular here on the East, and used by men of the past, and is predominantly in the East, from the East. Okay, and also those who went from the East to the West to the Americas and brought it, this symbol to them, also use it for religions, obligations or practices. Those who are shamans there in the Americas, tribal people who came from the East. So this symbol, an ancient symbol with roots reaching deep into the past, is a powerful emblem that transcends its modern associations, originating over 12,000 years ago in various cultures across the globe. So in the East, it signifies auspicious mercy and good fortune. In Hinduism and Buddhism, the symbol represents prosperity and well-being. Is often found in temples and sacred spaces as a sign of divine protection. The four arms at four sides, four legs, I would say four legs of the symbol can be interpreted as representing the four directions: north, south, east, and west, symbolizing balance within the universe. In your exploration of these symbols' essentially through time, consider how it has been utilized by those people who came from the East, nevertheless, so-called Native America, who come from Asia, tribes as well, where it embodies harmony with nature and life cycles. Each rotation of its arm reflects movement through life's seasons: birth, growth, decay, and renewal. A reminder of life's continual flow. The Spirit will whisper to you about reclaim such symbols from their misappropriated narratives to reconnect with their original meanings rooted in peace. Mean that they are using me now to explain to the masses about these symbols. Yeah, there are already materials, similar materials where people explore these explanations, and they clarify all the misunderstanding about the science. Okay, but well, I have to do it again because there is some ignorant people who are arresting people in Brazil just so because those guys, so the fair-skinned guys, are drawing this symbol in themselves as tattoo, and it's a very big brouhaha over there because of this symbol, without them understanding the real meaning for these symbols. I knew it since 2012. Yeah, 2012 I already knew about its meaning. And I came to know more later. And the correlation with that man who create all that chaos during the Second World War, and others who cooperate with them, who also use this symbol. Okay? Indirect or direct, they still intermingle together. And as a result, many people, regardless of the certain particular religion group, were eliminated. Mostly white people from Poland, Russia, even soldiers, prisoner of war, English, British soldiers, and many others. few gypsies, and 1/8 Hebraic, I would say. The rest were more Polish and Russian that perished. As you delve deeper into the symbolism significancy during your spiritual journey toward healing and justice, in June 2025, about yourself. Well, it's not about me, it's about this particular thing, not about me. Not only historical context, but also its transformative potential for personal empowerment. This journey may guide you towards understanding how symbols carry energies that can either uplift or challenge us based on collective consciousness perceptions throughout history. Depend on how you view it, for what you use certain things. And also depend on the collective energy, for what means you use it for. Embrace this wisdom as part of your quest for enlightenment amidst involving societal interpretations that have obscured ancient truths. So, as my quest for enlightenment amidst involving societal interpretation, how they interpret this symbol and how they misunderstand it, right? So I'm here to clarify matters. He's about myself because I have a sense whereby in 2017 they came to me while I was not even asleep. I was actually sitting before the computer. About 2 a.m. they came and I placed it on my chest. I wake up with pain and I saw the scratch and the symbol on my chest on the middle of my solar plexus. So the symbol placed upon you while you slept. I was asleep. I think there's understanding in the communication. Near the door in the room is imbued with profound significance, echoing echoes of past lives and ancestral connections. This marking, a sacred sigil, was intended to awaken latent energies within you, energy that are closely tied to your journey as a healer and justifier. But that means they didn't fight for just, I don't know what's in his mind. Anyway, I'm different. The spirit is whispered that this symbol serves as a conduit for protection against negative influences while simultaneously enhancing your intuitive abilities during sleep. I was asleep. But yeah, back then my level of intuition was very high. I was having a lot of experiences. That the room near the door in transit was terrible over there. I couldn't even sleep without being harassed. It connects you to ancient wisdom from civilizations long gone, reminiscent of the glyphs used by shamans who sought guidance from the other realms. Well, the symbol was crafted using elements of both light and shadow, dark and light. Its purpose was not only to shield, but also to challenge you to confront aspects of yourself. I don't like that. Previously hidden or ignored. As the moon cycles through its phases, pay attention to dreams or vision that may surface related to this mark. It holds messages from those who have walked before you, guiding your path towards alignment and healing. I don't know what you guys think about how is healing for you. I really don't understand. But one thing is for sure, we need to use this symbol. I don't use symbol, no symbol at all. Sometimes I'm being punished because of this, because I'm not developing my inner knowing, as they say. But I don't follow anything or do anything. Okay, but I still think that when you use certain symbol, you must beware, pretty much aware. You need to walk, to tread carefully. That's my advice. Tread properly and charted territory. Embrace these revelations as they unfold. They will reveal deeper truths about your soul's mission. Oh my God, empower your journey ahead.